point, I make sure that my bed is all clean. So I don't want to go start working before my bed is like spread. Yeah, so I just make sure it's tidy first. I then grab my toothbrush and Colgate to go and wash my face and brush my teeth before I start, so that I don't sleep. So there are those lines that I read out loud before I get out of bed, and they motivate me throughout the day to go and work and study. Yeah, so they are from the book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So you guys should check that out. Next thing that I do is respond to my agenda first. So I talk to God, I read down things that I'm grateful for, I plan for the day, I do my assignments, I read whatever thing that should be done. I do it at this time, so because it is early, no interruptions, no distractions. Yeah, so this is the time to do all that stuff. Then rush to the kitchen area to clean up by 5:30 or 5:15, around that time. So this is the time that I listen to an audiobook or music that I love, and then this is also the time that I meditate about my life and all that. Yeah. So I don't step in the gym at all. What I do is just these stretches once I get the energy off of the drink and the fruit. Yeah, so I just do my stretches in the morning and that's it. Yeah, so I showed you a little bit of them while standing, because that one is for breasts and this one is for waists. We used to do this in high school, so I just implement, yeah. Then I stretch wherever I feel tired, yeah, things like that, so that I can just get the energy through the day. Very early in the morning, like very early in the morning. And yeah, I don't have like that fancy morning, or you know those types of morning routines. So my routine is just more productive, like more of the productivity, so I don't focus much on other things, then I get work done. So that's all about my morning, because I am a student. Aside that, I do entrepreneurship, like I love that a lot, so I just have to fix time, and I have to wake up very early for that. So you guys, right now I'm heading to the bathroom, and I'm going to take a shower, and then after the bathroom I'm going to do other things. So
kick. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
video of today. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel, ring the bell and click on notification so that you don't miss any other videos that I will be uploading. So you guys have a nice time, and right now I'm leaving to go and upload the video in school. Yeah, so I'm leaving for school, whatever. So